In this experiment, we're going to try and get to see what sound looks like using salt on the surface of a balloon. So we're going to put the balloon over the top of this glass and then put some salt on it. And then when you blow a musical instrument over the top, you should see the patterns move in the salt. So what you'll need for this experiment is you'll need scissors, a balloon, a glass, and some salt. You'll also need some sort of musical instrument. You can use anything that you have around the house that makes quite a loud noise. Or if you want, you can use the Straw Kazoo, which we made in an earlier video. I'll have a link to that video in the description of this video if you want to try that. So to make this thing, what you do is you need to first blow up the balloon. Just to stretch it. And then you're going to cut the top off it. Just cut this top here and then try and get this to go over the top of your glass. You're trying to get a surface on the top of your glass. So it will be quite tight. Be careful that it doesn't snap at you. Now if you want to make sure that it stays on, you can add a little bit of sellotape to that just so that it doesn't go up. But as you can see now, that goes around and the top of it is very, very flat. And then what you're going to do now is put some salt on the top of the balloon and try and level it out so that it's even everywhere around. So what you want to see now is when you blow over, now you don't want to blow the kazoo straight down on it because the salt will simply just go everywhere. What you want to do is you want to play it beside the salt, and you should see there are just parts of the salt. There's parts of that balloon that move. So I'll try and show you that. I'll give you a close-up of that in a second.